Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Botpress and Voiceflow. Botpress is a chatbot building platform made mostly for developers. It helps you create smart chatbots that can talk with users through websites, apps, or messaging platforms. Botpress gives you a lot of control, so you can build advanced bots with custom code, flows, and AI tools. It's open source and flexible, which means you can change how things work if you have technical knowledge. But it's not very beginner-friendly, and people without coding skills might find it hard to use. Voiceflow is easier to use and made for people who want to design voice and chat agents without coding. It works well for teams who are building voice apps for Alexa, Google Assistants, or chatbots for websites. You can use drag-and-drop tools to design conversations and test them easily. It also supports AI tools like GPT, so your bots can give smart answers. Voiceflow is great for product designers, customers, or anyone who doesn't know how to code but still wants to build AI agents. If you're a developer and want full control and customization, Botpress is better. If you want an easy, no-code tool to design voice or chat agents, Voiceflow is the better choice. So overall, for most users, especially for beginners or teams, Voiceflow is the more user-friendly and better option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.